Alright guys, let's jack the car and then let's see what's inside or underneath the car. Let's see how's the CV axle look like. Alright guys, tire is off and then we found the problem. So broken CV boot. That's great, the grounding sound. So guys, I'm gonna talk to the customer and let him know that the CV boot is broken, but I will recommend to buy just a new CV axle, so it's faster to to fix this problem. And we don't know if the the ball bearing inside the CV axle is already worn, so I rather go with a brand new CV axle. So let's call the customer and buy a new CV axle. Alright guys, the customer just give us a go, so let's remove this CV axle and buy a new one. Alright, let's remove the cutter pin. Cutter pin. So this, we're using number, what's this, 30? No, number 30. No 2 bolts for the knuckle. So we are using number 22. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. Other one. Let's move it. Or we can use this puncher. There we go. Easy. Look at this. Holy crap. So on the middle there's a clip that we need to remove. This one. And then there were like bolt underneath, that's number 14 I think, that we need to remove too. So we're using long nose. So there's the clip that I'm talking about. This one. Oh man, it's really tough to give you a good view. And then Number 14 here. It's tight. So now this one is loose. Let's just remove it. It's number 14 bolt. So this is how I remove this CV axle using this long chisel. Put here and then okay. I hope you could see that. There you go. Oops, it's almost off. So just hit in here, over here, hit this part and push it. Now we can pull this CV axle. There you go. Alright. So that's the old one. So this is what makes the grounding sound, and this is your clip. Alright, let's put on a brand new one. So that's how it looked like after we remove the CV axle. There's a holder there, a bracket where you can, insert your CV axle. So that's the new one. New CV axle. They look the same. Okay, let's put it on before it will rain. So before you install the new CV axle, don't forget the C-clip, and then put some lubrication in here and here too. Alright, let's install this. No, it's easy. Right. Now, put this one in here. Okay. Alright. Then let's put back this number 14 bolt. So let's double check if it's properly inserted, and it seems like, yeah. So that's the clip right there. Then we need to put the number 14 bolts in here. Alright guys, we just installed the brand new CV axle, and now let's test drive the car, and then let's hear if there's still a grinding sound when we turn the steering wheel. Alright, let's test drive the car. Let's open the window so we could hear it. Okay, let's turn the steering wheel and then put gas on and let's hear it. One more time. Alright, I don't hear any grinding sound anymore. So actually when the car is on a straight line, you won't hear that, but as soon as you turn on the steering wheel to the left or to the right, it will create a grinding sounds. So let's go to our left. Alright, it's already fixed, no more. So guys, that's how you diagnose and fix grinding sounds when you turn a car to your left or to your right, and you couldn't hear anything when the car is on a straight line. So guys, if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.